Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will take a complete overview of Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's start. Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft operating system released in July 2015. Let us learn about it in more detail. As you can see, this is the desktop screen. There is start button and taskbar. You can see at the lower left corner there is a start button and the taskbar. You can open the start button by clicking on the Windows key, or you can click with the help of your mouse. You can see all the apps in start button. Next one is network. When you click on a network, a window showing all the networks. You can share any file and resources with the help of this network. You can click on any network to open the settings of a network. Windows 10 involves all the useful tools like File Explorer. File Explorer, you can explore all the files of your computer just clicking on the File Explorer option. You can double click on any folder to find your files or folder. Even you can search any file by clicking on the searching option. Power, you can click on power button. It will show three options like sleep, shutdown and restart. You can choose any one option according to your requirement. If you click on the sleep button, your computer's hard disk, display and the other components also sleep. It will consume less electricity. All apps, you can click on this option. It will show all the apps of your desktop on just a click. For example, if you want to use calculator, you have to click on the calculator icon. By clicking on the calculator icon, you can open the calculator. You can also open other services like calendar, mail, your internet explorer and many more things with the help of all apps. Start button enables you to search any web and any application. If you want to search any application, you can search it by typing the name of that application in the search box. Next one is file manager. It is very important in Windows 10. Windows 10 is very advanced and it is very easy to manage files and folders. Saving a file. To save your file in any folder, you have to click on the file tab and then save option. You have to enter your name in the file name tab. If you want to save your file on desktop, you have to click on the desktop icon. By clicking on that desktop icon, you can save your file to the desktop. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.